Hey, hello, hi all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techgrantha. So today, before we will start the video, I just want to wish you each and every people whoever is watching the video. Today we are celebrating the 74th Happy Independence Day, and we should really appreciate and we should salute to the all warriors like our respected armies, respected the uh, doctors, respected our nurses, respected to our Indian Army, I mean the paramilitary forces, each and every police officer, each and every the military of our Indian Army, whoever is saving our life on the border, and they are the same time the doctor is also doing so much sacrifices for us to save our life, and they are just giving the best to provide the good health activities to save the peoples. And apart of that, I also want to say thanks to the each and all our farmers also, because they are also playing the main important role on the Indian economy side, and the basic necessity which uh, everyone is doing on the life. So definitely the farmer is also the more respectful, and we should salute of those peoples also. Okay, so on the today's video we are going to discuss. So on that video, just I thought we'll discuss some of 5 experiences on my life, and I will share those 5 points. Maybe on that 2 days on the Independence Day, we should make the promise of those 5 commitments and just work on the entire life on those points. So there's the first point is helping others. What personally I just feel, like if anyone will ask what the mean of success for me, the one single line sentence, whenever I am just seeing the happiness on the other people face, that's the mean of the success for me. So whenever any other people need the help, just please help to each and every people whenever which field the person want the help from your end. The second thing is ask about yourself. So what the mean of the ask about yourselves, like currently with the COVID situation, even on the before COVID also, like the entire people, either on the employee side, either on the business people, either on the our any of the academic students, everyone is busy on the life, but we are not able to ask question about yourself. We are not asking question to ourselves exactly what we are doing and where we should go. So on the entire 24 hours, just give the some 10 to 15 minutes for you and ask about yourself, what exactly you are doing on the life, and that is going on the same pathway what you are feeling for your goal or not. So that is the main important question you should ask about yourself. The third question is like can't make happy everyone, which is the most important from my end, and that I face so many times. And I just got the one single sentence like you can't make happy each and every one people. I will just give the one single example. If suppose you want to make the happy on your parents, that will also not possible, because sometimes your father will be happy but sometimes your mom will be not happy. The simple solution is just always try to make yourself only, because if you are happy your family will happy, if your family will happy your relative will happy, if relative will happy your friends will also happy. The only the main key factor is that just try to make sure you are happy from your inside. Don't try to make happy to each and everyone. The fourth thing is that don't try to prove yourself, and that is also the main important thing. Always should focus on your career, your goal, your objectives. If you are correct, that's a fine, you don't need to give the proof to anybody. Because if suppose you failed on any of the stage, if you fail on the life, the first person which is the responsible is only you. If you are able to if you are able to give the answer yourself, that is a sufficient, and you know better than the others to yourself only. If you are correct, if you are wrong, then you know about yourself. So no need to prove to anybody. And the last fifth and most important things on the life, learn from the failures. Doing the mistake is not the problem, but after doing the mistake and doing the same repetition mistake is the biggest problem. So whenever you are fail on your life, then try to note it down. What the exact point you failed on the life. If suppose you are preparing any of the interview and you attended so many of interviews, but you are not able to crack the interview, just ask about yourself. Where exactly you lack on that case? If you are doing any of this activity on your life also, and if you plan something different, okay, I want to do that work, and you fail on the semester, then fail is not the mean like you can't be do it again. Only just make down what the problems you face and what where exactly you lack on that. Yes, note it down and just again retry and do it the best, and just make sure. And I'm trying to update you guys, like if you are able to follow the all 5 points, definitely the each and every people can be enjoy the life very happily. And it is a request from my side, just comment on the comment box if any of the points out of the 5 is helping for you and it is related to you, and if my solution is also helping to you, just please on the comment box, it will be great for me also. And I'll already update you on the last video sessions, like we are going to start the Sunday special series from the 16th August. So just be ready, tomorrow will be uh, come on the one best and good the videos on my life experiences, which I will share every Sunday to you guys, and which will be give the some good solutions, and maybe you can also relate with your life, and maybe you can enjoy your life little bit very happiness also. So thanks to each and everyone to watch my video, and please share that video to your friends and colleagues, and whatever the 5 points I discuss on there, just please work on that and comment me on the comment box like which point is valuable for you. And soon maybe on the Monday and Tuesday we are going to start the Postman series. So if anyone missed the previous video series like the J meter we covered, load run we covered, Dynatrace we covered, Jenkins we covered, so those are also available on the playlist, you can watch on there. And if anyone have any issue, just comment me on the comment box. Either you can drop the mail to me also on the techgrantha@gmail.com. I will give the reply there. Okay, thank you so much. At the end again, wish you very very happy independence to each and everyone. Thanks to all.